Hi, I'm Jeremy.
And I'm Kelly.
Hey, I'm Jackson. My name's Jackson.
And this is Jonathan.
Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna?
Hey guys, so welcome to our Season 1 finale. Season 1 has been...
If you missed last week, life has changed a bit for us.
So, originally, we're in Chattanooga, Tennessee, as you can see by most of the videos in Season 1. And our plan was to be full-time by October. The end of October, when our lease was up.
Yep.
Well, I've been given a job opportunity out here in Colorado that career-wise is just incredible opportunity. It's a really good company, and it's going to allow us to stay with Kelly's mom and save a lot of money, which will help us pay off the truck and pay off the RV in full.
We've kind of always lived by the rule that debt was not something we wanted to jump into, and as we were looking at the lifestyle of RVing and the things that we needed, like the truck and the RV and the ones that would work best for our family, we were realizing that that number kept going up and up and up. And the more that happened, the more uncomfortable we got with jumping into it right now. And in doing so, we came to the realization, and especially when this job opportunity came open to us, we realized that maybe we need to kind of slow down just a little bit, not turn off the plan completely, but just slow down a little bit and try and pay down some of
Well, we've already got the truck, so we'll be able to triple or quadruple up on payments for that.
Yep.
And we're still ordering the RV, and we'll be able to double, triple, or quadruple up on that as well. Basically, what it comes down to is, without a truck payment and without an RV payment, we will be able to have a lot less monthly. Our online is going to be a certain amount, and we know what that is right now, and for us to make the full-time RVing jump 100%, we need to get rid of the truck payment and the RV payment.
With living with my mom, we've been able to pare down our budget to just the bare necessities.
And basically that's where we're at. That's why we're here. We're going to be able to double up, triple up, quadruple up on all the payments and get those done. Our Season 2, we've decided, is going to be in the Colorado area. Colorado Springs, Denver, up in the mountains, up at Copper, Breckenridge, Loveland. There's going to be a truck review video. There's going to be the truck upgrades and accessories video. There's going to be ordering the RV and why we're choosing the options we're choosing. There's going to be all kinds of brand new adventure videos. I mean, we've got a lot planned. There's going to be a lot of family fun and a lot of things that we still enjoy doing.
We went from one city that had amazing outdoor activities and amazing museum options to another city that has a lot of the same stuff and just a different area, and we're excited to explore where we're at now.
So there's going to be Season 2, and we hope you will stay with us and invite your friends to come along with us.
And with that, it is raining on us.
And that's why we have GoPros, because it's raining and it doesn't matter. Except for our external mic. It might not like rain.
I don't think so.
So my favorite highlights from Season 1, I loved going on the bike rides. I've always loved doing the bike rides.
My Season 1 favorites would have to be Monster Jam.
My favorite part was Season 1.
Was?
Tubing. My favorite part on YouTube is Monster Jam.